Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add caption to images in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to add in here a new post right there. So once you have clicked on that, we should be able to add a new post on our WordPress website. Now in here, let's add in here a title. So for example, let's name this food. And then let's add in here an image by clicking on this plus icon. And then let's search in here for image. So click on this image right here. Now you can also upload or insert from URL. Now I have in here this actual image. So let's copy the URL and then let's click on this insert from URL right here in order to insert it. Now as you can see, it's been inserted right there. Once it's been inserted, you can actually add in here a caption by clicking on this plus icon as well. And in here, let's search in here for text. Now you can put in here a text input field, or you can also choose which one is actually for you. So just choose the ones that you want to use for this case. You can use list or details. So I'll head over and add in here details, wherein you can add in here a summary. Like for example, let's add in here a caption, which is pizza. Once we're done with that, publish it, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.